What are you guys doing? What are you playing?
Turkey game.
Turkey game?
Turkey roll games. Then mommy turkey roll games.
Turkey Road games? This is the Turkey Road?
Yeah. Okay, now we
Now what do we do?
top it down. First we have to lay them all down.
Oh,
Here.
lay them all down. Okay.
Then I pick these pills one.
Well, you smother them with a pillow.
Then I set this one right here next to him because that's ducky seed.
That's ducky seat.
No seed. Now, do this. And then the other ball. Grab it and hit it on the other ball.
Okay.
And lift me up and sit me on there. Daddy, Daddy. Come on.
How's Daddy supposed to lift you on there?
Wow.
Okay, with one ball. Okay.
And that's the game. That was a good game, Mallory.
What do we call this game?
Turkey roll game.
Turkey Road game.
Oh, I thought it was the turkey roll game.
No, this is Turkey Road.
The turkey roll game.
One of those.
Who won?
Me.
Okay. All right then.